it's SheRea. What's up? I'm in a different environment today. I'm actually in my super empty living room. I'm still trying to decorate, figure out the mood and the tones that I'm trying to do in my new apartment. So bear with me, but I do love my fireplace. So I did want to the front of my fireplace and do this Amazon favorites haul essential situation, which includes organization, beauty, kitchen items, tech, everything. 20 items that I swear by. So let's get into it. And per usual, everything that I mentioned today will be linked down below because I got you always. If you are new to my channel, hi, hello. Be sure to subscribe. But if you're an OG, you already know that I did move from the United States Virgin Islands to New Jersey 3 months ago, so back in January. If you haven't seen my moving vlog, which is actually cute and hilarious, definitely check it out right here. I traveled all the way here with my mother and it was a time, okay? So definitely make sure you check out that video. Let's first jump into the beauty favorites because most of y'all come here for beauty, so let's do that first. So the first item is probably like my absolute favorite, and it's my vanity mirror. It sits inside of my filming area and I use it to apply makeup, to style my hair, everything. It's huge and it's really hard to find big ones like this. They're always super small. This is the biggest one I've ever had. It's as big as my face. It's bigger than my face and I have a huge face, okay? I love it. It does light up, so you can change the lighting settings. You have different lighting situations. So there's a bright light, there's like a bluish light, there's like an orange light, and then you just turn it off. I also like that it does have a wireless charger for a cell phone right here on the bottom. I don't have to struggle with a little tiny little mirror. I love this so much, and it's under $100, which is hard to find. Super well made, very sturdy. I love this. So my next favorites are actually clear covers for my MAC lipsticks. So if you're a user of MAC or a user of MAC lipsticks, you will know that the lipsticks usually come with like it's a bullet style. You know the MAC lipstick, it usually has a black cover. And when you have a black cover and these are sitting in whatever drawer or whatever you have, you don't have any idea what lipstick it is. It's like, is this Ruby Woo? Is this heroin? Like, what the heck is it? I really do like this a lot and I have no regrets. 2 thumbs up, amazing. So last for beauty, which isn't really beauty, but it's beauty enough, which is this shower drain cover. So it basically protects the drain from hair going down the drain. If you are like me and you have thick curly hair, you know the struggle of having to declog your drain. It's annoying. I got Drano on speed dial, but not anymore. This is perfect. The holes are perfect. It captures all the hair. I haven't had any issues with getting hair down the drain since I got this. It's a lifesaver. It's only $5 and I love it. Now let's move into home decor items. The first item is actually not a home decor item, but I know where else to put it. So we're gonna fit it right here into the home decor things, if that's okay. And it's my bathroom scrubber. So I actually got this a few weeks ago. Life-changing, okay? The days of working really hard to keep your bathroom clean are over. All you do is take your cleaning supplies. So you know, Island Girl, we're gonna use that bleach, that Clorox, okay? Then I'm also gonna go in, of course, with that Ajax, because you need that. Let it marinate, and if you're not letting your detergents marinate in your bathroom, honey, can't be friends with you, okay? Let it marinate for way too long, and then you just go in with this, power it on, and you get it clean in half the time. No more going on your knees, no more scrubbing really hard and working hard. It gets the stuff off, and it leaves a nice, clean shower and bathroom. You can use it in the tub, in the shower. You can also use it outside the shower. I personally use it on the bathroom vanity as well as the corners of the bathroom just to get everything clean. It comes with 4 different heads. It comes with this one, which I use mostly in the tub just to get it nice and clean. I also use it on the tiles in the tub as well. But it also comes with 4 others. This one is nice to also use in the tub. You can also use it on the bathroom vanity. This one is great for like the corners of the bathroom that can get, you know, all kinds of things hooked up in the corners and stuff, dirt, hair, all that stuff. It's good to work everything out. And then this one is also good on the vanity as well. It's also good for getting into the grout of the tiles if you find you have mildew or something in there. This one is good for that too. So love this so much. It's a yes. Next up is my favorite furniture item in my house so far, and it is my office desk, y'all. It is so beautiful. That white and gold, the bulky, sturdy legs of the desk, everything about the desk is completely and utterly amazing. So affordable. I didn't pay much for it, and it's just a centerpiece in my office. My office is not completely done. There's still so much work to do. I still haven't gotten my couch or anything like that. Don't have any rugs and stuff. Still have so much to do in my office, but this desk is a centerpiece, and it really brings the entire room together. If you're looking for an office desk that's sturdy, that's large, to fit your desktop like I do and all your things, you need it. Now let's switch gears to my filming area, or what I call my studio, even though my friends tease me, but it's my studio. It's a room dedicated to filming. Anyway, when I lived in the Virgin Islands, I had a smaller desk to film in, and it just wasn't enough to hold my mirror and my products and everything that I was doing with my hair, my makeup, all that stuff. So I know when I moved here to New Jersey, I wanted a bigger table, and I wasn't really able to find the perfect table that I wanted. So your girl decided to build her own. I actually used 2 7-drawer organizers from Amazon and a tabletop. The 7-drawer organizers are very similar to the ones from IKEA, but the ones from IKEA come in a 5 and a 9. I actually wanted to get my drawers from IKEA, but they were always sold out. I knew when I made my table, I wanted to have drawers on both sides, and it's hard to find those type of drawers, especially affordably. They'd be like $1,000, and nobody got time for that. So I knew I wanted to have drawers on both sides, one for my makeup and one for like hair, tools, combs, all that stuff. Now let's jump into organization. I'm not the most organized person, but I'm trying to do better in this apartment. I'm trying to do adulting in a different type of way. So I do have some organization items that I love. The first item being my shower caddy. Usually when you're in the shower, the caddy usually goes over the shower head. I don't really like that, so I knew I wouldn't want to do that. So I was able to find adhesive shower caddies that you can just stick anywhere on your wall. I decided to stick them on my back wall so they wouldn't interfere with my regular everyday shower, but I still had access to my products when it was time for wash day. Love them so much. Next up is these clear acrylic organizers. So these are actually marketed to be used in the refrigerator to like organize sodas and fruit and stuff like that. I decided to use them to organize my head wraps. In St. Thomas, I just had my head wraps thrown into a drawer. I always wore the same ones because I could never find them. But this way, I get my Marie Kondo on, and I'm able to see all my head wraps. Everything is nice and organized. I just pulled this one out of the closet, but I do have 4 of them right now. Just makes my closet look nice and neat. I look like I'm adulting in the best way, even though I'm not, still struggling, but I just love it. It's so great. Just perfect for my current closet situation. And lastly is my shoe organizer that hangs over the door. I've actually had this since my first apartment in St. Thomas. I brought it here to New Jersey. It holds a whole bunch of shoes. I am not a huge shoe person, so it does hold a lot of my shoes. I'm able to just close my closet door and hide my shoes away, while also just saving a lot of floor space, so I love that. Now let's move into kitchen items. The first item I actually never thought I would make a video about, but it's my trash can. It's nice and cute. I knew I didn't have the type of space to hide my trash can under the sink or like in a back door or something like that. I don't have that type of thing in my apartment, so I knew it had to be visible, so I wanted it to be cute, and it is. It's nice, it's white, it's silver, it's sleek. I actually put little decals on it too, just so Babe would know where to put the trash and where to put the recycling, because men. What's a kitchen without a blender? I upgraded from the NutriBullet to the Nutra Ninja blender. I mostly use it for my DIYs, but I've also used it to make smoothies, and it gets the smoothies so nice and smooth. There's only so much you can say about a blender. I love that it comes with different cups. It has a huge pitcher. It has a personal size. It has like little small ones. It was worth the money and the investment. I love it. Now let's talk about my knife set. I didn't want a typical knife block situation. You know, it's usually wooden. I wanted my kitchen to be silver and white, so I wanted to keep those tones going. So I was able to actually find a beautiful, sleek knife set from Amazon. It looks really good next to my stove. I know I'm going to have it for years. They're so sharp, yet so affordable. Let's talk about my dish rack. I love my dish rack. It's nice and sleek. It looks super cute on my counter. I'm the kind of person where I don't like a lot of things on my counter. I don't want my counter to look cluttered. This two-tier dish rack was honestly perfect. It holds the right amount of dishes. I'm one of the elite adults, so I have a Costco membership, and that means just buying a whole lot of fruits and vegetables in bulk. I couldn't really find a basket that could fit all the fruit that I buy. This one isn't quite big enough, but it's the biggest one I could find. It's a 3-tiered basket. It holds a lot of fruit. It's perfect for me. Again, I wish it was a tad bit bigger, but it looks really good on my counter. It doesn't make my counter look cluttered, having like 2 or 3 baskets. So I love this for me. I really do. Something else that I absolutely love, I mean, I love everything in this video, but I really do love these. And these are glass straws. I was put onto these by Raven Elise. At home, I don't use plastic straws. I try to do my very best to help the environment, and these are my favorite. I did have another type, but you couldn't see through them, so I was always just hoping they were clean enough. With these, you know they're clean, they're glass, they're see-through, you can see everything. So no guesswork about what's in your straws, which is perfect. They also come with these brushes as well. You get, how much was it? You get 4 straight ones and then 4 bendy ones, and they're only like $9 or something like that. And lastly, for kitchen items are these freezer trays. I use these mostly for DIYs. I like to store my DIYs in these. You literally just pour them in and they come with the lid, and you can store them in the freezer like this, which is what I do because I'm lazy. So literally I just store them like this in my freezer. Or you can do what you're supposed to do, which is pop them out and then store them in a Ziploc bag, and I do that as well, but it just depends. Literally so well made, so sturdy. Love these so much. Before I was using the regular silicone molds that were the individual ones, but I've upgraded to these, and honestly, they're super worth the money. I have the half a cup and I have the cup. So I have 2 half cups, 2 full cups, and this is the only one that's free. The rest of them are in my freezer. Yeah. This video is getting super long, so let's just wrap it up with some tech. The first tech item is actually my cell phone case. I've actually had this for like 6 months, so don't judge it. It has started to yellow and stuff like that because it is like a clear type of case. What I like most about this is actually does come with a built-in screen protector, and you know screen protectors can get really expensive or they can be cheap and flimsy. This one is really strong. I've dropped my phone several times because I'm clumsy, and I haven't had any issues, so highly recommend this. Next for tech is actually my iPad holder slash stand. I really like this because it's able to hold up my iPad when I'm in the kitchen, cooking, you know, cleaning, whatever. I also use this a lot when I'm in the shower filming wash days and stuff. I take it everywhere in my house. I probably should get one for every room, but the money reside over here, but the money don't reside that much. I only have one of them, and I take it everywhere throughout the house. And lastly is my wireless charger. I didn't know these type of things actually existed. I'm techie in a sense, but I'm non-techie in another sense, and I had no idea this even existed. It's so great, so convenient. Please let me know, what are your Amazon home favorites, your tech, organization, beauty, all that stuff. I'm still shopping, still looking. Would definitely like some recommendations, so definitely let me know down below in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Peace. Bye, y'all. Also, while you're here, let me know what other type of home content would you like to see on my channel. Definitely need some inspiration, so let me know that down below as well. All right, I'm gone for real. Bye, y'all. Wait. Bye, y'all.